4th, 2025. It is about 5:20 p.m. See, there's no moon, okay? Look at the time. It is 18:11 on this, okay? 18:11, zero moon. All right, then I stopped a little bit and then used my phone to video the moon. All right, so then, see, it's still the same date. And now there's suddenly this giant moon. 3 minutes later, the whole moon came up, or the whole planet spun fast enough for the whole moon to come up, and then it still has that black circle around it. Normal? Not in my opinion.
In less than 5 minutes, we moved over that much, and you can't even see the actual moon, like in the... Here's the...
If people don't like the way I take videos, like, you can volunteer to help me sift through so much data, because I honestly was gonna stop posting, and I think I am gonna stop posting stuff because there's no point, you know? There's no point in me feeling so, like, shrugged off. It just doesn't feel good. And this is supposed to be fun for me, so, like, I just kind of lost interest that people are excited about something that's like 1 in 500, and I'm like, I have something that like is directly tied to this because people ask for it. So I'm gonna be a girl and step back and stop posting. Okay, it's probably my last video for a while. I'll still collect for myself, I think, and just focus on stuff that's more interesting to me versus the uphill battle with trying to prove anything to anyone, because it's just not fun like that for me. But I do have a video today where someone else stopped to video the moon because it's just that, like, what is this? And we all know that a new moon was found, but I tried so many different ways to publish, but I can't get past all that stuff. It just got really boring. But don't steal my technology, okay? Because all of this stuff, it's still happening for the same reason. People with huge egos care more about preserving, like there's no room for someone else. There's no possibility that really, like, literally humanity asked for some help, and then it's not even me, it was my dog. I'm just her keeper, and it wasn't just me. This goes so deep into the rabbit hole of governments and scientists and the media and all this garbage. It's like, oh, can we just go now? Trust me, there's like way more fun things I'd rather be doing. I'm serious. It's just gotten so boring to live like this. There's way more fun things I could be doing.